Good morning everyone. Today's my topic is types of algorithm. आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एल्गोरिथम कितने प्रकार के होते हैं। एल्गोरिथम क्लासिफिकेशन, सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एल्गोरिथम का क्लासिफिकेशन। एल्गोरिथम दैट यूज ए सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच कैन बी ग्रुप्ड टुगेदर। दिस क्लासिफिकेशन स्कीम इज नाइदर एग्जॉस्टिव नॉर disjoint. The purpose is not to be able to classify an algorithm as one type or another, but to highlight the various ways in which a problem can be attacked. A short list of categories algorithm types will consider include simple recursive algorithm, backtracking algorithm, divide and conquer algorithm, dynamic programming algorithm, greedy algorithm, branch and bound algorithm, brute force algorithm, randomized algorithm. Simple recursive algorithm. A simple recursive algorithm solves the base cases directly, recurs with a simpler problem, does some extra work to convert the solution to the simpler problem subproblem into a solution to the given subproblem. I call these simple because several of the other algorithm types are inherently recursive. Example recursive algorithm. To count the number of elements in a list, if the list is empty, return 0. Otherwise, step past the first element and count the remaining element in the list. Add 1 to the result. To test if a value occur in a list. If the list is empty, return false. Otherwise, backtracking algorithm. Backtracking algorithms are based on a depth first recursive search. A backtracking algorithm tests to see if a solution has been found, and if so, return it. Otherwise, for each choice that can be made at this point, make that choice recur. If the recursion returns a solution, return it. Example backtracking algorithm. To color a map with no more than 4 colors. Colors. If all countries have been colored, number of countries return success. Otherwise, for each color C of 4 colors, if country N is not adjacent to a country that has been colored C. Colored country N with color C, recursive color country N plus 1. Divide and conquer algorithm. A divide and conquer algorithm consists of two parts. First, divide the problem into smaller subproblem of the same type and solve these subproblems recursively. Combine the solution to the subproblem into a solution to the original problem. Traditionally, an algorithm is only called divide and conquer if it. Examples: quick sorts. Partition the array into two parts and quick sort each of the parts. No additional work is required to combine the two sorted parts. Merge sort. Cut the array in half and merge sort each half. Combine the two sorted arrays into a single sorted arrays by merging them. Binary tree lookup. Here's how to look up something in a sorted binary trees. Compare the key to the value in the root. If the two values are equal, report success. If the key is less, search the left subtree. If the key greater, search the right subtree. This is not a divide and conquer algorithm because all through there are. To find the nth Fibonacci's number, if a is 0 or 1, return 1. Otherwise, computer Fibonacci's n minus 1 and Fibonacci's n minus 2. Return the sum of these two numbers. This is an expensive algorithm. It requires O Fibonacci's n time. This is equivalent to exponential time. Dynamic programming algorithm. A dynamic programming algorithm remember past result and uses them to find new results. Dynamic programming is generally used for optimization problem. Multiple solution exist need to find the best one require optimal substructure and overlapping subproblem. Optimal substructure, optimal solution contain optimal solution to subproblem. Overlapping subproblem, solution to subproblem can be stored and reused in a bottom-up fashion. This differs from divide and conquer where subproblem generally need not overlap. Fibonacci's number against. To find the nth Fibonacci's number, if n 0, our 1 return 1, otherwise compute our lookup in a table. Fibonacci's n minus 1 and Fibonacci's n minus 2. Find the sum of these two numbers, store the result in a table and return it. Since finding the nth Fibonacci's number involves finding all smaller Fibonacci's number, the second recursive call has an greedy algorithm. An optimization problem is one in which you want to find not just a solution but the best solution. A greedy algorithm sometimes work well for optimization problem. A greedy problem work in phase at each phase. Example, counting money. Suppose you want to count out a certain amount of money using the fewest possible bills and coins. A greedy algorithm would do this would be a failure of the greedy algorithm in some fictional monastery system. Crowns come in crown and 10 crown coins. Using a greedy algorithm to count out 15 crowns, you would get a 10 crown pieces 5 1 crown pieces from a total of 15 crown. This requires 6 coin. A better solution would be uses. Branch and bound algorithm. Branch and bound algorithm are generally used for optimization problem as the algorithm process a tree of subproblem is formed. The original problem is considered the root problem. A method is used to construct an upper and lower bound for a given problem. At each node apply the bounding methods. If the bounds match, it is depend a feasible solution to that particular subproblem. It bounds to not match partition the problem represented by that node and make the two subproblems into children nodes. Continue using the best known feasible solution to trim section of the tree until all nodes have been solved. Example, branch and bound algorithm. Traveling salesman problem. A salesman has to visit each of a cities once each and want to minimize total distance traveled. Consider the root problems to be the problem of finding the shortest route through a set of cities, visiting each city once. Split the node into two child problems. Shortest route visiting city A first. Shortest route not visited city B first. Brute force algorithm. A brute force algorithm simply tries all possibilities until a satisfactory solution is found. Such as algorithm can be optimizing find the best solution. This may require finding all solution, or if a value for the best solution is known, it may stop when any best solution is found. Example, finding the best path for a traveling salesman. Satisfying stop as soon as a solution is found that a good enough. Improving brute force algorithm or often brute force algorithm require exponential time, various heuristics and optimization can be used. Heuristic, a rule of thumb that help you decide which possibilities to look at first. Optimization, in this case, a way to eliminate certain possibilities without fully exploring them. Randomized algorithm. A randomized algorithm uses a random numbers at least once during the computational to make a decision. Example, in quicksort, using a random number to choose a pivot. Example, trying to factor a large prime by choosing random numbers as a possible diverse.